This video shows how to replace the internal cooling fan and filter PCB on an ODE 3 IP66 frame size 3 as part of the planned maintenance schedule. Place the drive on a flat surface that will prevent damage and allow easy access to internal parts. Ensure anti-static precautions are always taken. To remove the control cover, use a Posi 2 screwdriver to loosen the two screws and lift the cover away. If your drive is a switched variant, you'll need to disconnect all the connections going to the terminal connector. Using a Torx 20 screwdriver, remove the four cover screws. The torque setting is 1.5 Nm. The cover can now be lifted away from the heatsink. The ribbon cable also needs to be disconnected from the control board by pulling it away. Use long nose pliers to disconnect the fan from the fan connector. Remove the fan and fan bracket using a Torx 20 screwdriver. The torque setting is 1.5 Nm. Remove the 6 screws using a Torx 20 screwdriver. The torque setting is 1.5 Nm. To remove the terminal PCB, remove the 5 terminal PCB screws using a Torx 10 screwdriver. The torque setting is 0.5 Nm. Remove the earth pillar using a 7mm socket. The torque setting is 2.3 Nm. To remove the filter PCB, remove the 6 filter PCB screws using a Torx 10 screwdriver. The torque setting is 0.5 Nm. The filter PCB can now be removed by pulling it away. The switch or switch bypass PCB will need to be removed and refitted to the new filter PCB. If switched, loosen the 6 terminal screws on the switch using a Posi 2 screwdriver. The torque setting is 0.5 Nm. Remove the 6 connection tab screws using a Torx 10 screwdriver. The torque setting is 0.5 Nm. The switch or switch bypass PCB can now be removed. When fitting the new filter PCB, ensure the pin header connection is correctly fitted and the EMC filter screw is fitted using a Phillips 1 screwdriver if the drive is filtered. The torque setting is 0.5 Nm. Rebuild the drive by reverse engineering the previous steps taken using the parts supplied in the preventive maintenance kit. Once any modifications have been completed to the drive, you must ensure the software is updated to the latest version.